How to open a checking account with Chase Bank. Chase makes it very easy and you can open an account in 10 minutes if you have all the required documents. Firstly, you will need to choose which Chase checking account you want. You can choose among Chase Total Checking, which is the most popular. Then there is Chase Secure Banking and Chase College Checking, Chase Sapphire Banking. Pick the one that fits you. There will be descriptions also. Before starting, you must have your password, driver's license, state ID, social security number or ITIN if you don't have SSN, and proof of address such as utility bill, rental agreement and bank statement. Now there are two ways from which you can apply. You can apply online or in person. Go to chase.com and select your checking account. Then click on Open Account and fill out your personal details. Enter your SSN or upload ID if asked. Then you can agree to terms and fund the account. If you are looking to open the account in a Chase branch, then find a Chase branch near you. Make sure that you take your ID, SSN and proof of address. Tell the banker you want checking account and fill out short form. Deposit your money and that's all. That's all for today. Thank you.